Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a business website on SiteGround. Just tap on Safari browser, and if you create the account you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description and you will get the referral code from me. And after logging in your account and clicking the pencil icon next to the data center name on the website will be created in the data center line. Just tap on it, and after choosing an application for your site WordPress and setting up a site login details, fill in your email address and add a strong password. When you are ready setting up your login details, click to continue. Just tap on it, and you may click the skip create empty site option at the bottom of the page. So just tap to skip it and simply click add. If you prefer to skip them, you can click finish to complete the website creation process. So just tap to creation press. Congratulations, you have just created your business website. Visit our next tutorials to learn how to. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.